Something is changing in the world of content creation. For the last few years, the narrative has been dominated by one name, Sony. If you wanted to vlog, if you wanted to start a YouTube channel, if you wanted to dominate TikTok, the advice was always the same. Get a ZV series camera. But while the giants slept, Nikon was watching. They were learning. They were waiting. And now, the rumors coming out of Tokyo aren't just whispers anymore. They are a declaration of war. Welcome to the era of the Nikon Z30 II. This is not just a minor refresh. This is not a Mark II that just adds a new color or a slightly faster menu. The Nikon Z30 II is the most ambitious entry-level camera Nikon has ever conceived. We are talking about a device that aims to bring flagship-level processing, 6K oversampled video, and an autofocus system inherited directly from the $5,000 Nikon Z9, all into a body that fits in your jacket pocket. If you are a creator in the US right now, your gear choice just got significantly more complicated. Think back to the original Z30. It was a solid effort, a brave step into the vlogging world for a company known for its photography-first DNA. But it had its flaws. No internal stabilization, number 10-bit video, and an autofocus system that sometimes struggled to keep up with the fast-paced nature of modern social media. The Z30 II is Nikon's answer to every single complaint, every YouTube comment, and every Reddit thread from the last 3 years. This is the fix we've been waiting for, and it's packed with technology that shouldn't even be in this price bracket. At the heart of the Z30 II lies the APS-C processor. This is the same brain that powers the Z8 and the Z9. By bringing this high-octane silicon down to the Z30 II, Nikon has unlocked a level of speed and intelligence that their competitors in the sub-$1,000 market simply cannot match. We are looking at a 26-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. Possibly the same stack technology we've seen teased in recent patents. What does this mean for you? It means the rolling shutter effect, that annoying jello wobble when you move the camera, is virtually gone. It means your 4K video isn't just sharp, it's oversampled from 6K, giving you a level of detail and color depth that makes your footage look like it was shot on a cinema camera. But let's talk about the biggest elephant in the room: autofocus. For years, Sony has held the crown. Their real-time tracking was the gold standard. But the Z30 II changes the math. With the APS-C's deep learning algorithms, this camera doesn't just see people. It understands them. It can track eyes, faces, torsos, animals, and even vehicles with a stickiness that feels like magic. If you're a solo creator in a home studio in Austin or a travel vlogger on the streets of New York, the Z30 II will lock onto you and never let go. You can walk in and out of the frame, turn around, or move fast, the camera stays with you. No more hunting for focus, no more ruined takes. And for the first time in this series, Nikon is rumored to be including IBIS, in-body image stabilization. This is the holy grail for vloggers. One of the biggest drawbacks of the original Z30 was that you needed a gimbal or a very steady hand to get usable walking shots. With the Z30 II, Nikon is implementing a 5-axis stabilization system that works in tandem with their VR lenses. Imagine being able to walk through a crowded park, talking to the camera, and getting